The Internet and the Marketing Mix. What is marketing mix? Marketing mix is the series of 7 key variables: the product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. Marketing mix provides a simple strategic framework for varying different elements of an organization's product, offering to influence the demand for products within the target market. Online branding. Online channels are used to support brands and some of the characteristics of their product or service as perceived by the user. What is digital media? Digital media provides new opportunities for the marketers to vary the marketing mix. Using the internet to vary the marketing mix, product, promotion, price, and place, and also the people, process, and physical evidence. Forces is the customer needs and wants from the product, cost of the customer price, convenience relative to the place, and communication for the promotion.
Brand entity. The totality of brand associations, including name and symbols that must be communicated. Brand names for online brands. Companies creating a new online brand or portal need to consider the characteristics of a successful brand name. Ideally, the name should be simple, distinctive, meaningful, and compatible with the product. The importance of brand name. The internet presents a double-edged sword to existing brands. Here are the examples. Price variable, the element of the marketing mix that involves defining product prices and pricing models. This is the example. Pricing models describe the form of payment such as outright purchase, auction, rental, volume purchases, and credit terms. Price transparency. Customer knowledge about pricing increased due to decreased availability of pricing information. Differential pricing. Identical products are priced differently for different types of customers, markets, or buying situations. In this picture, you will see the differential pricing. Price elasticity of demand. Measure of consumer behavior that indicates the change in demand for a product or service in response to changes in price. Price elasticity of demand is used to assess the extent to which a change in price will influence demand for a product. Satisfying behavior. Consumers do not behave entirely rationally in product or supplier selection. Like to this picture. They will compare alternatives, but then may make their choice given imperfect information. Aggregators. An alternative term to price comparison sites or comparison search engine. It also include product, price, and service information comparing competitors within a sector such as financial services, retail, or travel. Their revenue models commonly include affiliate revenues or CPA, pay-per-click advertising or CPC, and display advertising or CPM.
Downward pressure on price. Competition caused by price transparency and increased number of competitors is the main reason for downward pressure on price. For example, internet tends to drive down prices since internet retailers do not have a physical presence of operating stores that affects the price of their product. This means that online companies can operate at lower pricing levels than offline rivals. Pricing level is a price set for a specific product or range of products. For example, BeFlyer, a website generator company, offers different kinds of plans for those who want to create their personal or business website with different sizes of storage and themes. For free plan, a less space storage and less perks are offered. But with paid plans, they can get discounts, more space storage, different perks and themes to choose from per month. Discounting of most popular product or other regular products is another pricing approach used by both online and traditional retailers to acquire or drive sales. For example, Zalora, an online shopping site, offers voucher code sales, partnership sales, on-the-clock sales, and seasonal discounts. In Lazada.com, they offer discounts for newly arrived products, clearance sales, big bundle sales, and everyday price dispersion. The distribution or range of prices charged for an item across different retailers. Three factors to assist in pricing. Precision. Each product has a price indifference band where varying price has little or no impact on sales. Adaptability refers simply to the fact that it is possible to respond more quickly to the demands of the marketplace with online pricing. Segmentation refers to pricing differently for different group of customers. Range of options that are available for price setting. Cost plus pricing involves adding a profit margin based on the production cost. Target profit pricing more sophisticated pricing method that involves looking at the fixed and variable cost in relation to income. Cutler's choices that can be applied to e-commerce. First one is maintaining the price, assuming that e-commerce derived sales are unlikely to decrease greatly with price since other factors such as customer service are equally or more important. Second one is reduce the price to avoid losing market share. Third one is raise perceived quality or differentiate product further by adding value services. And the last one is introduce new lower price product lines. New pricing approaches including auctions. Forward auctions. Items purchased by highest bid made by bidding period. Reverse auctions. Item purchased from lowest bidding supplier in bidding period. Offer. A commitment by a trader to sell under certain conditions. Bid. A commitment by a trader to purchase under certain conditions. Aggregated buying. Form customer union where buyers collectively purchase a number of items at the same price and receive a bonus. Price testing. Offering the same product or service at two levels of pricing to determine which is most effective in producing revenue and income. Dynamic pricing. Prices can be updated in real time according to the type of customer or current market conditions. Shipping fee. Additional payment for ordered online products that will be delivered to your home. But some offers free delivery. It depends on the inflation of the customer. Alternative pricing structure. Basic price, discounts, add-ons and extra product and services, guarantees and warranties, refund policies, and order cancellation terms.
Place variable or place, the element of the marketing mix that involves distributing products to customers in line with demand and minimizing cost of inventory, transport, and storage. Examples are MSN, Yahoo, Google. The main implications of the Internet for the place aspect of the marketing mix. Letter A, place of purchase. Letter B, new channel structure. Letter C, channel conflicts. Letter D, virtual organization. Syndication. Content or product information is distributed to third parties. Online, this is commonly achieved through standard XML formats such as RSS. Localization. Tailoring of website information for individual countries or regions can include simple translation but also culture. Letter B. New channel structures. Some new structures were born specific for the internet-based marketing. The main types of phenomena that companies need to develop strategies for are disintermediation, refers to the possibility of performing direct sales. It can also lead to channel conflicts, and there are numbers of barriers and facilitators to such change. Reintermediation. New intermediaries receive a commission and sale resulting from a referral from their site. Countermediation refers to the possible partnership with another independent intermediary or setting same-owned independent intermediary. Letter C. Channel conflicts is a situation in which channel partners have to compete against one another or the vendor's internal sales department. Partners sometimes enact agreements such as deregistration. Channel conflict may also occur among various segments of corporate departments such as the sales channel. For example, the direct contact of components of the sales department may have to compete with other sales channels such as telephone, online, and mail campaigns. Letter D. Virtual organization uses information and communication technology to allow it operate without clearly defined physical boundaries between different functions. It provides customer services by outsourcing production and other functions to the third party. Virtualization, the process whereby a company develops more of characteristics of a virtual organization. Features of virtual organization. Processes transcend the boundaries of a single firm and are not controlled by a single organization hierarchy. Production processes are flexible with different parties involved at different times. Parties involved in the production of a single product are often geographically dispersed. Given the dispersion, coordination is heavily dependent on telecommunications and data networks. Promotion. The element of the marketing mix that involves communication with customers and other stakeholders to inform them about the product and the organization. The main elements of the promotional mix: advertising, selling, sales promotion, public relations, sponsorship, direct mail, exhibition, merchandising, packaging, word of mouth. Three important decisions about investment for the online promotion. Number 1. Investment in site promotion compared to site creation and maintenance. Since there is often a fixed budget for the site maintenance and promotion, the marketing plan will specify the budget.
People element is how an organization staff interact with customers during sales and pre-sales and post-sales communications with them. Companies should consider how easily the customers can find contact points and compose a support request on site. Best practice is clearly to find email support options. Finding contact support information on a website is surprisingly difficult. Avatars are used to reduce the needs of inquiries such as Ask Anna on the IKEA site. Hallsworth 2006 found that use of an avatar-based sales agent can lead to more satisfaction with the retailer, a more positive attitude toward the product, and a greater purchase intent. Receipt and acknowledgement. Best practice is that automatic message acknowledgement occurs. This is usually provided by autoresponder softwares. Autoresponder are also called mailbots. Autoresponder is a software tool or agent running on web servers that automatically sends standard replies to the sender of an emails or messages. Routing of emails involves automated routing or workflow. Routing the email to the right person is made easier if the type of query has been identified through the techniques that prescribed for customer defines. You can easily routing emails when you know the information of the customers. Follow-up. If the employee does not successfully answer the first response, then the email should suggest callback from an employee or a live chat. The email follow-up may provide opportunity for outbound contact and marketing, perhaps advising about the complementary products or offers. The process of element of the marketing mix refers to the method and procedures companies use to achieve all marketing functions, such as new product development, promotion, sales, and customer service. Customer contact strategies are the compromise between delivering quality customer services with the emphasis on customer choice and minimizing the cost of the customer's contact. Customer preferred channel. Company uses a customer-led approach where customers use their preferred channel for inquiry, whether it be phone call back, email, or live chat. Company preferred channel. Company will seek to influence the customers on the medium used for contacts. For example, EasyJet encourages customers to use online channel rather than voice contact to the call center for both ordering or customer service. Customer choice is still available, but the company uses the website to influence the choice of channel. Physical evidence refers to the customer's